9 Easy Asian Hiking Trails for Beginners. Hiking is more than just physical, it also clears and challenges our minds as we disconnect from the bustling city life and social media. But if you're not the fittest of the lot, fret not, we've gathered some of the most picturesque trails in Asia, perfect for beginners. Sambangan Nature Hike, Bali, Indonesia. Bali is more than its villas and beaches. A little off the beaten track, Sambangan rural village promises an authentic and memorable travel experience for nature lovers. This trek only takes 3 to 4 hours. Hikers will enjoy the panoramic views and sounds of the natural pools along their route. Penang National Park, Penang, Malaysia. Penang National Park is the world's smallest national park and also one of the few natural forested areas left in Penang. There are several trekking trails you can take. Despite its small size, the park has an impressive array of exclusive habitats including turtle nesting beaches, mudflats, coral reefs and a meramictic lake. Kinabalu National Park, Borneo, Malaysia. Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Malaysia and a favorite one among many hikers. It is surprisingly conquerable standing at 4 kilometers tall. A guided climb package typically spans over 2 days. Note: hikers have to book their climbs at least 6 months in advance. Volcano Batur and Sunrise Trekking, Bali, Indonesia. Mount Batur only requires 2 hours to ascend, perfect for a sunrise trek. In the cool pre-sunrise darkness, witness a magnificent night sky strewn with stars above you as you trudged upwards on black sand and lava deposit accumulated by the volcano's multiple eruptions. And after you've clambered your way up this incredible volcano to the summit, which is 1.7 kilometers above sea, reward yourself with nature's spectacle as dawn sets in. Dragon's Back, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a busy metropolitan city and you may be surprised that it actually offers amazing trekking opportunities as well. Dragon's Back has claimed the title of the best urban hike in Asia by Time magazine, and the best part is that it's so close to the city. Dragon's Back's glorious peaks offer hikers gorgeous Chinese fauna and foliage while they oversee stunning coastal landscapes. Total hike time amounts up to less than 3 hours. Mount Kelimutu, Flores, Indonesia. Mount Kelimutu is famous for its phenomenal natural tricolored lake, which changes colors dramatically and is probably one of the most enthralling sights you'll ever witness. For an even more captivating experience, start trekking before dawn arrives and catch the sunrise overlooking the lake. The trek extends to approximately 12 kilometers of rocky but absolutely rewarding route. Panamic in Nubra Valley, Ladakh, India. Nubra Valley is a far-flung area from Ladakh's city central, known for its scenic orchards, rugged forest canopies and Bactrian camels. Trekking in Panamic to Ansagampa also allows travelers to visit the local villages, natural hot springs and Buddhist monasteries. Upon arriving at the Gampa, enjoy the beautiful sight of snow-capped mountains accompanying the Nubra Valley. Bukit Tabur, East, Selangor, Malaysia. Bukit Tabur offers hikers an incredibly breathtaking view at its summit. Located at Taman Melawati in Kuala Lumpur, this majestic limestone ridge is a geological wonder of the urban Malaysian city. Apart from usual coniferous trees and foliages, dazzling quartz crystals can also be sighted along the hiking route. The eastern hike takes less than 3 hours. Southern Ridges, Singapore. The Southern Ridges is an iconic connection of hills in the south of Singapore, stretching across Mount Faber, Port Park, Telok Blangah Hill Park, Kent Ridge Park, and West Coast Park. Not exactly your typical mountain hiking trail, but Southern Ridges offers an equally riveting and scenic trek through some of the best nature spots in Singapore. It is conveniently linked by foot trails and connection bridges towering over Singapore's tranquil greenery. Though the whole walk spans over 9 kilometers and takes around 5 hours to complete.